Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're the part of the what? Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Grateful gang, gang, gang. Grateful gang, 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 gang. Happy Wednesday, fam. How are you? I hope you are well. Happy Hump Day. If you're not a part of the Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It is free 99. It costs you nothing to hit that subscribe button. So I'd really appreciate it if you did. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to make sure your notification bell is turned on. We're going to do a little something different and it has to do with budgeting, but we're going to do it together. So I know y'all have heard me talk about Ally Bank and how I wanted to check them out because they have these cool things, at least it looks cool. And there's buckets and how I've been wanting to move my membership funds over there. So I've heard Tasha talk about it. I've heard Tasha from Mind Your Money. I've heard JB's 2 cents talk about it. And I've heard Sabrina talk about it and a few other people. But Sabrina went the extra step and shot me her link on Instagram to sign up. So I sent the link to my email, which is what we're looking at now. And we're going to get started, okay? No talking when we get started because usually I can record on this for about 25 minutes. Hopefully it doesn't take that long to set up an account. I will, of course, pause when they're asking me for information that I think is sensitive, but I'll share as much as I can. So here's the link, and let's hope it works. I'm going to make my face small. If you see me, let me see if I can make this screen a little bigger. Okay. If you see me looking over here, this is where the computer is, and this is where the laptop video is. So I apologize if it seems like I'm not really focused on you. I am. So here is the link that I sent to myself, and here we are. Oh, Ally, your friend wants to see you and your money grow. Thank you, Sabrina Boo. Get up to 125 for joining a bank. Oh, nice. I didn't even know I got money for it. I thought they would, but I didn't realize that I would too. So get up to 125 for joining a bank you're going to love. Welcome. You've got a good friend looking out for you. They heard you're not banking with Ally and they want to change that. With Ally, you can enjoy great rates and tools to help you grow and manage your savings better and your financially ally. As your financial girl, can you read today? I'm so sorry, y'all. As your financial ally, your financial wins and goals are just as important to us as they are to you. Plus, there's a bonus. You and your friend can earn some easy money when you join. It's a win-win for everyone. Keep scrolling to enroll before and join our referral program. Okay, so I can earn up to $175 in 3 easy steps. So let's see what it takes for me to earn $125. Step 1, I have to enroll and open a new Ally Bank savings account by 3/1. It's 2:21 now, so I'm well above the time. Enter your name, email address below to start your enrollment in the program. Be sure to open your savings account with the same email address you enroll with. Okay. And then number 2, find and build your savings account balance. Deposit new money from another financial institution to your newly opened savings account by 3/25. You can make multiple funding transactions between the account opening date and 3/25. However, your account must be funded within 30 days of opening or it will be closed. You are eligible to receive a 0.50 cash bonus on the new money you deposit up to $25,000, max $125 cash bonus. So it doesn't say like I have to. What I like about this so far is it doesn't say I have to put a whole bunch of money in the savings account. It just said I have to put money in the savings account. So if I just put 10, 15, 20, I think I still will save the we'll get the $125 as long as I do it before 3/25, which if I have the option, I'm just going to do it now. And then step 3, keep your money parked through 7/15. So you do have to keep your account open through 7/15 to earn your cash bonus. You'll receive a 0.7 cash bonus up to 125. So I don't know what up to means. We'll see when we get there on the new money you deposit into your savings account by 3/25/24. As long as you retain your funds from 3/25 through 7/15, your cash bonus will be deposited into your savings account on or by 7/31. So I don't know what it means by up to 125. Like if I'm only getting 0.5 on the amount that I put in up to $125. So that might not even be like a full 125. Either way, I was going to try it. Okay. Other things to keep in mind: transfer can take up to 3 business days. Your friend will receive $50 for inviting you after you open and fund your savings account. If your account has over 25,000, only the first 25,000 will qualify to 0.75 cash bonus. That surplus money will earn a great rate. Still have questions, blah, blah, blah. For future, I'll enter your information to get started. So I guess I just enter my information here, or is there a button up here? Yep. So I'm going to enter my information here. I'll be back, you guys. Okay, so I entered my information and I hit start saving, and it says scroll through and read the terms and conditions before proceeding. Consent to receive cash and promotional offers, terms and conditions. I've browsed this before, the details, definitions of wording, standard stuff like rules. And I agree to receive information electronically, and I agree to terms and conditions, and let's go. Okay. So it says open accounts. You can open an account in 5 minutes or less. So let's see. My face over here. Choose the option that best describes you. I don't have a login. What do you need to apply? A social, residential street, a legal name. So you're going to need your social or tax ID if you're a business, a U.S. residential address, a legal name, and your birthday. So I don't have a login, so I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to make my face bigger because I don't like to see just part smaller. I don't like to see part of the screen. Select, it's going to be an individual account. It's going to be a savings account. Money amount. I don't know. I guess deposit amount. Oh, okay. So their current APY is 4.35. Interest rates are 4.26. Still really good, right on par with Capital One. So I don't feel like I'm losing any money. I'm just gonna let me go log into my Capital One and see what's over there in membership. Okay, guys. So over here in memberships, we have what's up top. Where are my memberships at? Membership 131. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to I'm not sure what it's asking me. You're getting savings buckets and boosters with this account. So that's what I want is the savings buckets and the boosters. I'm going to say that I'm going to start here with $100. Y'all, I don't know. And then keep in mind, if you choose an account with a variable rate, your rate may change after the account is opened. Fees no monthly maintenance fees. I love that. 10 withdrawal limits per statement, and that's pretty comparable for everything. And then competitive and variable rates. I don't think I'll have more than 5,000. Do I have to put an amount here? I'm just gonna put 0, and then add this account. Okay, so here are the accounts you've selected so far. Review your selection and add other accounts you want to open. Right now, I'm just going to start with one savings account. I guess I can just add another savings money market certificate of deposit or spending account if I wanted to. I'm just going to add one for now, and it has a 4.35 annual percentage rate and $0 deposit. Information about opening an account. Okay, next. Your information. I wonder if I was to put deposit money is up here at the top. So I'm assuming I'll get to that part again. So we're only able to open U.S. citizens, open accounts for U.S. citizens and U.S. residents. We also require U.S. residential street address, blah, blah, blah. I'm a U.S. citizen or currently residing. Continue. So I'm going to stop here so I can fill in all my information. I'm going to fill out my name, birth date, social, mother's maiden name, occupation, citizenship, emails, phone numbers, address, and then I'm going to hit next. Okay. So I'll be right back, you guys. Okay, so after I hit next, you guys, the next page was actually a verification of all my information. I reviewed all my information, and now I'm looking at the submit application section, which just asked me to consent to information. But I'm going to take my time and read through it because it's very short, and I'll agree and continue if I agree. Okay, guys, so then there was I acknowledged and accepted. Then there was another page I reviewed asking you about if the IRS is holding exemptions and showed your name and all that personal information. I just hit submit, and now we're at the account information page where we have bank deposits, online bank, all the things you're signing off that you acknowledge to. And I'm just gonna hit this and hit submit, but I'll be back because I just want to make sure it doesn't pop up with any more info. It just basically says right now they're reviewing my application after I hit submit. They want to confirm it's me, so they're sending a text to make sure it was me. I'm going to ask you for your routing number, your account number, and all that. I'm going to fill that in from my Capital One information, and I'll be back. Okay, so I put all my information in for my Capital One account, checking account, and it shows $130 from your Capital One. And then I realized, girl, I need to actually move that money into the main account so I don't get overdrawn. So hold on, y'all. Let's do that transfer together while we're here. So I'm going to transfer from my members only account. I'm going to transfer to Tara's Major Keys $130. And this is for Ally Savings Account opening. Okay. Transfer. So now I should have more than enough success, even though it did say it was going to take about 3 days, but at least now we have enough money in there sitting for if they initiate anything. And so then I'm going to hit continue and I'll be back, you guys. So when I came to this next step, it says deposit money and it shows my savings account and there's a number behind there. That's why I put my face. I guess that's my Ally savings account number. And then I'm going to hit next steps right here. The next portion is going to be getting access to online banking. So then they ask you to create a username, a password, re-enter username, and do a secret question in order, I guess, if you want to do online banking, like we do, and like probably like the app. So I'm going to fill out this information and then hit the submit. I don't want no paper. I just want online only. Okay, I will be back, you guys. Okay, guys, and then it says that I'm all set. Thanks for banking with us. We're sending confirmation to my email, and then the opening deposit is $130. It has my new savings account information behind here, so I'm putting my face there. But $130 to open, the APR, the interest rate, and where the funding source is from. And I guess we can't really do too much else. I don't think I can do too much else, you guys, until I actually have the money hit the account. And we'll play a little bit more in there because I'm interested to like play with the buckets and see how to set up the buckets. And I'll come back and do that with y'all too. If you're interested in the Ally account, like how to set up I'm interested in setting up like my membership buckets for my Kind Master, my Sam's Club, and my Amazon in 3 different buckets and moving the money accordingly. So I'm excited, but I think this is the first step, and that's how we set up an Ally account. It really wasn't too bad. I don't know if there will be a link for me to share my code with you guys. If I get one, I'll leave it down below, and you can set one up too if you're interested, and we'll do it together. But that's all I have right now. Y'all, why did I just try and like log into the account again? And I literally just made my username and password. Unless I didn't look correctly or I misprinted it. I don't know what it is. It won't let me in, and I'm going to have to call them. And I'm really not going to do that at 6:12 in the evening. So I'll probably call them tomorrow and see what's going on with that. But I'm excited we did set up our Ally account. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little different. I'm trying to break up the monotony of budgeting all the time because, we're about to get paid tomorrow. So all those kind of videos going to start rolling in. But I'm excited to sign up for the Ally and see what the buckets are all about. Thank you guys for watching so much. Thank you so much for always joining me. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and don't forget to make sure your notification bells are on. Thanks for watching. Remember, order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, Bye. Jesse. Love you, mean it, boy.